Aromatherapy, inspired by nature. Anti-aging ingredients: lemon oil, geranium oil, camphor. Mix 1 drop in facial cream with 2 drops of jojoba oil or apricot oil and massage on a clean face and neck every morning and evening. Competitor ingredients: Hell Chrysum Italicum, lavender, mint, wintergreen oil. Mix 1 drop in body lotion and then massage the muscles all over the body. Insomnia ingredients: chamomile roman, melissa, lavender, essential oils. Inhale. Place 1 drop on the edge of the pillow or 3 or 4 drops on the cotton wool. Oil diffuser. Add 3 to 4 drops on a tissue and place it near you. Purifying ingredients: chamomile roman, lavender, tea tree. Mix 1 to 3 drops of essential oil with jojoba oil and massage on clean face and neck until fully absorbed. Soothing ingredients: chamomile roman, geranium, camphor, myrrh. Massage on clean face and neck until fully absorbed with few drops of essential oil with jojoba oil. Stress SOS ingredients: neroli, jasmine absolute, melissa, lang lang, essential oils. Inhale. Fill bowl with hot water and add 3 to 7 drops. Bath. Fill bath water and add 5 to 10 drops and gently stir the water. Wake up ingredients: rosemary, ginger, lemongrass, grapefruit, lemon, orange essential oils. Inhale. Place 1 drop on the edge of the pillow or 3 to 4 drops on the cotton wool. Bath. Fill bath water and add 5 to 10 drops and gently stir the water. Zentitude ingredients: mandarin orange, petit grain, meishang. Air freshener to be directly used in aroma diffuser or add 12 to 15 drops in filled spray bottle with half cup white vinegar and 1.5 cup waters and shake well before use. Blood flow ingredients: cedar wood, cypress, Hell Chrysum Italicum. Mix 5 drops in body lotion and then massage all over the body. Purse space ingredients: eucalyptus, lemon, tea tree, lavender. Air freshener. Add 12 to 15 drops in filled spray bottle with half cup white vinegar and 1.5 cups water. Shake well before use or to be directly used in aroma diffuser. SFP Perfumes, bringing fragrance to life. www.sfpperfumes.com